Using the method of completing the square, solve 2x squared minus 4x is equal to 5. So we've got 2x squared minus 4x is equal to 5. Now, the difference between this one and the previous one is here we haven't got 1x squared. So we can make that 1x squared by dividing everything through by 2. We can do that because this is an equation. So dividing both sides by 2, we're going to get x squared minus 2x is equal to 5 over 2. And then what we do is we look at this number, we take half of it, which is minus 1, and then write down x minus 1 all squared, and that's still equal to 5 over 2. Now in doing this process, we've added something onto this side, because if you do x minus 1 all squared, you get x squared minus 2x plus 1. So we have added 1 to this side, and therefore we must add 1 to the right hand side. So adding 1, and then we're going to have x minus 1 all squared. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 plus 5 is 7, so that becomes 7 over 2, or you can do that on your calculator. So taking the square root, we're just going to get x minus 1 is equal to plus or minus the square root of 7 over 2. So x will be equal to 1 plus or minus the square root of 7 over 2 by adding 1 to both sides. And therefore we're going to have that x is equal to 1 minus 7 over square root of 7 over 2, comma, x is equal to 1 plus root 7 over 2. These are called exact answers. If you want to find the numerical answer, you have to put these two numbers into your calculator using the fraction button. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to solve equations by completing the square. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.